Yes, hello, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this section we are going to talk about the key factors to consider when you're starting a business. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and to hit the bell next to it for notifications whenever I post a video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, to share this video, and without further ado, let's get into the video. And another factor to consider when starting a business, especially small-scale business, is the economy. Yes, the economy is very important. It could make or fail your business. So when you're starting a business, always think about the economy. Is it good? Make your research about the economy at the moment in time before you start your business. And another factor to consider is the capital. Do you have enough capital to start that type of business? We hear stories of how someone started a business with no money, or without money, or with less money. But we also hear stories of people who started their businesses with large chunks of money. Yes. So, which side are you? Are you going to start a business which needs a lot of money, yet you have small monies? There are ideas in our previous business series of how to start a business with a particular amount of money, whether small money or more money. There are different business ideas. Make sure you check in our business series videos. You will learn a thing or two about the different businesses you can do with different amounts of money. And if you need me to expound or to elaborate about a particular business idea, or leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Backup financial plan. You must have a backup financial plan when you're starting any business. For example, if you have some money and you want to start a small business, I advise you, do not go wholesale. Do not spend the money up to zero balance. You must have some left. Some clients take long to pay, and some businesses take long to set off, to start paying you. So if you don't have a backup financial plan, you'll end up starting to use your capital of the people who come and buy things in cash, or you'll end up, instead of reinvesting the money, you'll end up using the money. So you must have a backup financial plan. Another point is time management. Time. Give it time. And when you're doing this business, get up on time. Produce on time. Deliver on time. Be ready to give time to your business. Otherwise, it won't grow. Yes, I've seen people who invest in businesses, and maybe they employ someone to run their business for them, and they never even go there. Maybe they go there in the weekend. They never even call the person. And before you know it, the business is run into the drain. Or if you make an investment in the village, maybe it's farm, maybe it's a tree plantation, or it's a tree farm, or it's a food plantation, please make time for your business. Go there, visit, check on the workers. What are they doing? Give it time. Last but not least, you must draw a profit estimate. Yes, because you're doing the business to get profit, whether it's frying nuts, or it's buying and selling planes or land, big or small. You must draw your profit estimate, because we are working for profit. So like I told you in the beginning, you have to draw a business plan. You do capital investment, then add recurring expenditure, then at the end of the year, profit must exclude capital investment. Please subscribe to my channel right now. Hit that red button, the subscribe button, and the bell next to it. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me which other factors to consider before starting a business. Let me hear from you. Let's discuss. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to invite your friends to this channel. It's a good channel. It will inspire and empower you. Thank you so much. I love you so much. See you next time.